three little pieces of information which I wanted to share with you today. The first of which we are looking at here is from Twitter, but we can see it was originally from the Wall Street Journal. Nevertheless, we're going to give a shout out to the individual who posted it. I think the name of it is foray_coin as the username. So here we are seeing BlackRock profits falling by 22% as the firm's assets under management decreased to 8.5 billion from a former 9.6 billion in the first quarter. Again, not necessarily directly related to AMC, nobody's going to say it is. It may have some correlation, who knows, but the moral of the story is simple. Again, hedge funds and the like, they think that they are right, and their arrogance oftentimes is their shortfall. It really does not serve them well. So when we hear things like, "I dare you to try and hurt us," from hedge fund managers, just remember, these are people who speak in a way which is a bit stronger than how their actions actually outlook. Again, it's more about looking at what somebody does rather than what somebody says, and we can see, well, for BlackRock at least, the figures are not looking too great, and I know that others are following. Now, when we come over to here, this is also important, coming from JanJack_AMC on Twitter, and it says, "Remember when JP Morgan analysts said that Q3 forecast for box office admissions revenue is estimated to be between about 1.78 billion and 1.88 billion. Well, 2.5 weeks into Q3, and again a long time to go yet, we can see that the box office is grossing 677 million. Again, definitely more than half a billion, coming up to 70% of a billion there, so clearly quite a large percentage. Again, that is what we're seeing of 38% of the generalized JP Morgan lower estimate and 36% of the higher one. Now again, that doesn't sound too good overall, but, and it really is a big but, there's 11 more weeks to go. We are 2.5 weeks in. After 11 weeks, who knows what we will see. And again, the Q3 earnings for AMC will be exciting. I know it's a long way off, but it is something to think about. And of course, the end of year earnings will also be pretty amazing if this does carry on, as it has done for the majority of the year so far. Now, the final piece I want to share with you guys is going to be this. It's just a quick thing which is coming from AMC Tattooed Merm Ape, who says this. Random 2 a.m. thought, and it really is quite a good one, and that's why I wanted to share it. So how long does it take on average for the DOJ to investigate something? And of course, the Department of Justice for a long time have been going on about how they are conducting investigations into the markets and trying to do things, apparently, allegedly. Well, it says that the average time for them to complete an investigation, and again, that is the average. Some will probably be significantly shorter, some will probably be significantly longer, but the average is expected to be about 252 days, so the best part of a year. So if you are thinking about the DOJ investigation still, and you're thinking it's something which may come in to help us, maybe it will, but just know and note how long it takes on average for them to complete an investigation. I understand that they have to look through things rigorously and make sure everything is finite in their decisions, rulings, and understandings, but you know, for those wondering what's going on with the investigations, just be aware this is generally how long it takes. Anyway, that's it for this one. I'll see you all later for more.